What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a brand new NASCAR diecast unboxing for all the newest releases. We'll get into them one by one in this box. Can't wait to get it started, so let's go ahead and do it right about now. So you can see the first few. I usually try to go one by one, but there's the first three. We'll start off, for the sake of starting off, with the #1 car of Ross Chastain. This is the #1 Trackhouse Chevrolet for the 2025 season. And let me just go ahead and cheat real quick and get one out that I see in the box, because this is the Shane Van Gisbergen Trackhouse #88 for the 2025 season. First comment prompt already. Leave a comment on which of these two you like better, which Trackhouse car you like better. SVG runs away with this one. I love the colors on the 88. Of course, he's got WeatherTech to work with. He's got Red Bull up there, which is cool because this car is not on a base like the Red Bull cars will be. And that will be visible later on in this video. But there's the first two. We'll keep with the Trackhouse cars because we got the 91 Helio Castroneves Wendy's 2025 Chevrolet. Good looking, of course. Trackhouse doesn't miss. Wendy's doesn't miss. This car couldn't miss the crashes in Daytona. Anyways, on to the next. Pack and paint is going everywhere real quick. So this is going to be a 2024 diecast of Joey Logano. This is the Phoenix win that propelled him to that championship. So pretty cool, I guess. Not a big fan of Logano, but I like race versions. And I like the new way they do the 164s. Newer. It's not completely new anymore. But confetti goes everywhere. They don't take it off the window or the back windshield anymore. And a good example of that is the Ross Chastain #1 Kansas win. This was the playoff race in Kansas that he was not a part of the playoffs last season. Already guaranteed to be a part of this year's playoffs. In theory, with that win in Charlotte at the 600. You never know how many winners we can get, but he's pretty locked in at this point. But you never know. Next up, let's see what we got. Denny Hamlin 2025 Sports Clips #11 Toyota Camry. Good looking stuff here. Next up, let's get more of the pack and paint us out of the way here. Well, the next one's coming out at me. I kind of wanted to save it because, to be honest, it's probably the coolest one of the video. Connor Zilisch 2025 Red Bull #87 for Trackhouse. Red Bull getting back into the sport. Looking sexy as always. I guess you can't really tell without me taking it out, but this one's on a base. The Red Bull cars. You don't want the energy drinks on a, quote, toy. But this is sick. And I can't wait for the rest of the Red Bull cars coming later in the year. That's a good one. Next up, a truck. This is the Tomajeski Phoenix win. That also got him the championship, just like it got Joey Logano. Plane alert. There's a plane going by. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's out there. Next up, we're getting down to it. 3 more. Yeah, there goes the plane. Let's move the box out of the way and just get into it. Jimmy Johnson. Carvana Desert Surprise. 2024 Camry. For Legacy Motor Club. Jimmy Jam, pretty good looking scheme. Of course, Legacy doesn't miss either. Get that cleaned up. Okay. Next up, William Byron's 2025-24 Valvoline car. Really good looking scheme. Got to see this puppy most recently on track at Sonoma at time of upload and recording. Last weekend at Sonoma, this bad boy got a top 10 and was up front all day long. Speaking of top 10 and up front all day long, at Sonoma, Chase Elliott. But this is his Napa White 2025, number 9. Glad to get this. Cannot wait for the Clash raced version. That should be up pretty soon. I'm pretty sure I saw August might be the shipping report on that bad boy. Cannot wait to get that. But that's all out of the box. So what I usually like to do is show them all and try to organize them. I mean, this was a Trackhouse heavy. Let's see what I can do here. Trackhouse heavy unboxing. So, I mean, there's Trackhouse, there's the Hendrick guys, and then it's kind of like everything else. Some Toyotas, some Fords out of nowhere. But let's get that box out of the way. But there they are, showing them all together. And I'll ask for another comment now that you've seen everything. Leave a comment on which diecast you like the best from this video. Subscribe for more, pretty please. Like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for checking this one out. Thank you guys.